Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. Today I'm going to open two Advent calendars. This is the 12 Days of Scents from Homeworx, which we're on day 3. And this is the Diamond Press Advent calendar. So we're going to open this one first. Light a little candle. It says Dreaming of a White Christmas. So let's see what this one smells like. First one, which was Treetops Glisten, smelled so good. The second one was a winter fireside. It smelled just like a winter fire, like they're sitting by a fireplace with a little bit of like cloves or something. It's really good smell. So this one, I can smell it already. Oh, you guys, these candles are so good and smelly. This one smells, what is that? Winter Air, Crushed Peppermint, Marshmallow Fluff, and White Birchwood. Okay, I smell something kind of spicy. I think it's the birchwood I'm smelling. I don't smell the marshmallow or the crushed peppermint, but it does smell really good. So let's light it with my homemade match container and my little striking pad sticker. There we go. Let's see what it smells like when it's going. That's number 3. So number 4 is going to be Snow Day. So it's going to have that same, some winter mint, sparkling bergamot. I don't know how you say that. And crushed fir needle and sugared musk. So we'll see what Snow Day. Snow Day is actually a blue. So we'll have to see tomorrow. Okay, let's open the Diamond Press Day 3. So we are on, right here, Day 3, this big one. Sorry about the reflection. Let's see what it is. Let's see if we can get in here and figure out what we've got here. What do we have? Oh, it's an embossing folder. Nice. Very cute embossing folder. Let's look at it. Let's have a look. Have a look. Well, if I can get it open. These are all really nice. Makes me want to just open them all. Don't you ever want to just do that? All right. So you've got your little twirlies. You've got your hearts and dashes. Really cute. Cute embossing folder. So that is nice for day 3. Should we make something with it, or I don't know what to make with it. I wonder if they have some suggestions. Could make a bookmark or something. Why don't we do that? We'll just do a quick bookmark and use some craft brown paper and embellish it for Christmas. How about that? Okay, so I've cut a piece of the craft brown paper and I'm going to run it through my machine real quick and we'll make some cute bookmark with it. All right, what a fun thing. Look how cute that is. So to bring out the embossing, I'm going to use some of this Bordeaux. We're just going to go over it like this. And look how cute that comes out. You can really see it now. Just brings it to life. Look at that. I'm trying to hold it up so you can see it really good. Look how cute. All right. But we're making it a bookmark. So I want to take my black and I want to go around the edges with the black. Make it look vintagey. I call it vintagizing. But instead of using the vintage photo, which is a brown color, thought we could go with the black, since the craft brown paper is already brown. Really cute. All right, so let's punch a lanyard punch in there. And we'll just put it about right here. That looks cute. Okay, and then we're going to put this ribbon through here. Already pulled out some ribbon. All right, just a quick little bookmark. I'm not sure I really like the way that this is hanging, but it's really cute ribbon. And the green goes with the red, and we'll just put a little festive word on here. I think it would be cute. I mean, stick that in your journal and it'd be really cute. Anyway, just a little quick something. So thank you so much for joining me today. This is a really cute addition to everything for this particular Advent calendar. And I'm impressed it's knocking it out of the park, just saying. Let's see, where's number 4? Number 4 is over here. So what do you think's behind number 4? If you know, don't tell us. And we'll come back tomorrow and check it out.